welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa. If you are new here, welcome. I'm down currently because I just started cleaning my room and I thought I should pick up the camera and maybe do a video about this. So I have a lot of cleaning to do. I thought that today's video could be about just being productive and organized, and I think I'm going to clean my room, my purse, and my car because all three of those are very messy. When I'm around messy things, I feel like my life is messy. So I figured that I would just start cleaning with my room and continue from there. And yes. So this is what it's looking like so far. I just kind of folded everything and I have to separate them and put everything away.
Ryan Little.
How about you get on 2 on 2, so you get on that side and push, and we'll pull.
Better wait this time.
Alright, go.
No. You,
Hey, watch the thing.
Okay, ready?
Hi guys, so I just got back in the car. I just got my hair done. I cleaned my room a little bit and now I'm heading to East Long Meadow. Now I'm gonna head to get my, what? Something spilled in my bag and everything is wet. But yeah, I'm just gonna go clean my car with the vacuum and vacuum everything, and then I'll probably clean out my bag and then I will feel much better. Ew, like these are all wet. I'm so annoyed. My water spilled in my bag. I also just got this Suja celery juice. I'm gonna drink that. And then, oh, I wanted to show you guys. I also just got these 2 shirts and sweatshirts from the salon. The owner of the salon, her daughter Mia sells these shirts, and she makes them, and they're just the Saint Laurent shirts, and they're so cute. I got this color. It's hard to show because I'm on here, but it's a t-shirt, and then I got this black sweatshirt, and then I also have one in green, like it's like a pistachio color green. But they're so cute and trendy, and I have like 3 of them now, and sometimes I just like wear them out or wherever I'm going. Doesn't matter, you can wear them wherever. But yeah, they're super cute. Just thought I would show you guys that. So All right, let's go to get this car cleaned. Okay, so I just got to the car wash place. It's kind of like sucky weather out right now to be doing this, but whatever, my car is a mess, so I need to. I don't have like that much stuff in here, but I'm just gonna vacuum it really quick and yeah. I'm trying to like set this up so I can show you guys. I got this new car mount and it like sucks. I need to get a new one. It like literally like is slanted. I don't know why it won't stay still. It's like, I think I put it together wrong. So, okay. That's good enough. Sorry if it's crooked.
Ryan Little. Finish up doing this and then go to my house, finish cleaning my room, clean out my purse and do all that stuff, and yeah, so I will see you guys there. In a car wash. That freaked me out kind of. Woo!
this thing moves, it just doesn't stay still. All right. The window doesn't even look that clean. All right, now I am on my way home. And I actually have, oh wow, you can see me really well. I'm legit pitch black. Yeah, I'm on my way home, and after I clean my room and stuff, I am going out to dinner with my mom and her work friends. They're going to Red Rose. That's a pizza shop near us, which is like really, really good. And then afterwards, they're going to MGM just to like, I don't know, hang out, probably gamble. But yeah, I'm just gonna go there, and then my friend's actually having some of us over for the Patriots game. Jake Lamont, hi if you're watching. I doubt you are, but I'm gonna tell you too. And we're gonna go there and watch them win. Okay, see you guys later, bye.